I fed you. No. No, you didn't feed me, Daryl. Man, let me show you something. Let me show you something right here. Does it look like you fed me?
What's in your mouth? What is in your mouth? Jaxie. I hear it. What is in your mouth? Oh my God. You're killing me.
Thank you.
Tyson, we're getting pulled over by the cops. Act cool, act cool.
Okay, you ready to blow bubbles? You gonna do it? Ready? Your turn. Good boy.
I just want you to know that you might lose your privileges because every time we have you go get the paper, you are running after people with dogs. If you think you can keep that up and be a member of this family, you are.
You're such a good singer.
Come on. You can come through. See, watch. Watch. See, watch, buddy. See? See? Come on. Come on. You can do this. Come on. Buddy, come. Come here. Buddy, come. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come here. You gonna come? Come here. Come here, buddy. No, that's me, buddy. Come on. Come on. You gonna come? Come on. What if I got you a biscuit? I got you a treat. What if I got you a treat? A bacon strip? Come on. It's okay. Oh my gosh. You were in the house. Okay.
What led to the fundamental changes of the post-industrial. Mr. Duckworth had a long night, huh, Mr. Duckworth? Class is not for sleeping. So the poets in this post-industrialistic time frame always held within a certain Mr. Duckworth. Mr. Duckworth, long night, huh? You failed. Come on.
She should be going in those,
Right up here. Okay, here we go.
funny tricks or something. That would be good.
Come on, Joe. Come on.
Loves it, eh? That's looking awesome.
Went up and down in about 20 times. Okay, here we go.
Hey, I bet if I did that a few times, I
Can't believe you're really doing this. Shut the hell up, Jimmy, and keep a lookout, man. I got it, man. It's a Mercedes red.